Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone. I'm here at the YouTube Space LA. This video is brought to you by Fair and Up. I'm hanging out with the amazing Jasmine of Get Caked, and today we're gonna make a Chewbacca pancake.
Chewbacca pancake.
I love Chewbacca. In fact, I have to have a little secret. I actually have a Chewbacca onesie at home.
I have to tell you, I at least have 5 different friends that have worn that on what I would say one occasion for a pajama party,
Yeah.
and everybody dressed up in the same gear. So it was definitely an experience to have 5 Chewbaccas in one room at the same time.
We'll show you those photos another time though.
Yes.
So let's make some Chewbacca, shall we?
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay, so should I count you down?
Are you gonna count me down for this one?
I'm gonna count you down. Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Chewbacca, man.
That's a Chewbacca pancake.
Awesome.
Right on.
Oh, so good.
So we just made a Chewbacca pancake, and I gotta ask, can you give me your best Chewbacca impression?
I think you actually have the
No,
Chewbacca noise.
no.
You did it earlier. You did it earlier. You're like the Chewbacca pro.
One more. Give me one for me.
I totally can't even do impressions. Even as a pancake, he still looks kind of cuddly.
He does. He's very sweet, you know.
Speaking of sweet, what flavor would you make Chewbacca?
This specific Chewbacca, this is gonna be a peanut butter banana Chewbacca.
Oh, that sounds tasty.
Peanut butter and banana. Have you guys ever had that on a pancake?
No, I haven't actually.
It's actually really good. You gotta try it. Peanut butter, banana, and syrup on a pancake. I'm telling you, a good dessert.
Sweet. Okay, if you make Chewbacca, show us. You can hit us up on Twitter at Jerry James Stone or at Get Caked LA. We'd love to see your photos and also know what flavor you would make.
Yep.
And if you want to make Chewbacca, where can you do that?
You can get our Pancake Art Kit at Fair and Up's website. And again, our kit is gonna come with bottles, our colors, it's gonna come with some great videos for you guys so you can learn how to do it at home with the kids. And the idea behind our kit is really just to get the family together on a good Sunday fun day, have fun with each other.
Make pancakes.
Make pancakes.
Make Chewbacca.
Make Chewbacca pancakes and put peanut butter and bananas on top and send me a picture because again, it hits home with me.
Awesome. Thanks guys. I'll see you next time.
See you guys.